In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple gift card on Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can potentially redeem an Apple gift card and use it to purchase V-Bucks or any other items available in the shop inside of Fortnite. So, as you might already be aware, Fortnite was out of the iOS App Store for years. However, recently it is finally back, so you can find it available on the App Store. In order to use and redeem the balance from the Apple gift card, you need to run Fortnite through an iOS device because you need to choose to use your iOS balance to make this purchase. So to start, keep that in mind. You will not be able to redeem your Apple gift card to purchase V-Bucks or any other items inside of Fortnite if you are doing this on a PC through the standard Epic Games Store. You have to open Fortnite on an iOS device, so a smartphone or an iPhone, for example, and once you are inside, switch over to the V-Bucks tab. If you don't see any offers available, double check your region. If you changed your region, nothing will appear, but if you set it to the standard one, you will be able to see the V-Bucks offers. Now, when you tap on any of these, you will be given the options between the Epic Games Store or in-app purchase. You will notice that if you go over to the Epic Games Store, you actually get a little bit back in the form of Epic rewards. But for you to redeem your Apple gift card, you must choose in-app purchase. This will allow you to use the balance on your Apple account that you got from redeeming the gift card, and as long as you choose in-app purchase when purchasing V-Bucks or any other items, you will be given the options to use that balance from the gift card that you redeemed. Besides this, there is no other option to use the Apple gift card, so you must do it on an iOS device. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple gift card on Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.